Wow. Hello guys, thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Nephi, band vocalist and YouTube reactor from the Philippines. Hai semua, apa kabar? Nama saya Nephi, saya penyanyi dan YouTube reactor dari Filipina. Hari ini saya buat reaksi video untuk one of the most prominent vocal beasts from Malaysia. His name is Azlan with his band, the Typewriter, and they will be performing Pawana, Seruan, Sejati at the Konsert Suara 2011. So this was 9 years ago, wow. And I couldn't wait to watch this. A lot of you guys wanted me to react to this, and this is the right time. So without further ado guys, let's go check this out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's a big venue, wow. That hairstyle is really so in, like, before, wow. Wow. Are you hearing the instruments, guys? Wow. The way he holds the mic is so interesting. It's like almost at the end of the microphone. Wow. Bro! I'm enjoying this. The drummer is enjoying it. Wow. My gosh, the instruments! You hearing this? Wow. Nyanyi semua everybody's song? Sejati, okay. So it's 3 songs. Loving the instruments. Wow, bro! They're both enjoying it. Whoa. What? Wow. unending though. My goodness. Sejati. Oh wow, Azlan never fails. He always delivers with that kind of vocals that he has. I'm also getting the vibe of Awi in him. I don't know if he idolizes Awi or they have a similarity in their style. And it's so nice to see Azlan just doing his thing on the stage and his band is enjoying it like so much. You can just tell. And the instruments, man, they're as good as Azlan. Azlan is a vocal beast and the band is also like a beast in producing music. It's so nice, and I bet this is a bit nostalgic to many of you guys because this is way back in 2011. And Azlan, of course, is looking younger in this video. So this must be like the oldest video of him that I've reacted to. And I'm very thankful for you guys because you sent me the link to this video. And yeah, as usual, I mean, I was already expecting greatness from this performance because this dude is really like one of the gems from Malaysia. His rock voice is so good, and he's so reliable with high notes. And in this performance, he also had emotions. So all in all, this is really a great performance. And yeah, there you go, guys. Thank you so much for letting me watch this video. If you got more videos of Azlan or other artists from your country, you know the drill. Comment them right down below. You could also send me your messages and requests via Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook for all of the description box right down below as well. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe because it really means a lot to me, guys. Thank you all so much, and I hope to see all of you in my next videos. Bye. Wow. Are you hearing the instruments, guys? Wow. The way he holds the mic is so interesting. It's like almost at the end of the microphone. Wow. Bro! I'm enjoying this. The drummer is enjoying it. Wow. My gosh, the instruments! You hearing this? Wow. Nyanyi semua everybody's song? Sejati, okay. So it's 3 songs. Loving the instruments. Wow, bro! They're both enjoying it. Whoa. What? Wow. Wow.
Cinta kita melukiskan sejarah, mengelarkan cerita penusuk aja. cita sa